Welcome dear friends. In this video we will solve evening paper of a screening test conducted by KPPSC for PMS 2022. A person who possesses both introverted and extroverted interest is an ambivert. The study of astronomy and mapping is called astrometry. One who is incapable of being tired, indefatigable. An elderly unmarried woman is called spinster. One who speaks on behalf of others is called spokesman. Choose the word similar in meaning to abdicate, give up. Choose the word similar in meaning to imbecile, idiotic. Choose the word similar in meaning to oblique, slanting. Choose the word similar in meaning to fulminate, clamor. Choose the word similar in meaning to mundane, worldly. The synonym of fugitive, escaping. The synonym of propagate, spread. The synonym of dormant, inert. The synonym of anomaly, irregularity. The synonym of rectify, correct. The antonym of agile, slow. The antonym of bewitch, disenchant. The antonym of ebullient, restrained. The antonym of listless, active. The antonym of abound, scarcity. The antonym of loath, willing. The antonym of fallacy, truth. The antonym of caliber, inability. The antonym of vengeance, forgiveness. The antonym of disdain, respect. A thief broke dash my house last night into. An epidemic of influenza has broken out. That man has been charged dash 3 crimes with. The answer can be found dash page 88. On. Hold it carefully, dash your thumb and you. Between. You are sitting dash Ahmad and Ali. Between. The rent dash regularly until the roof fell. Was paid. My fever dash. She still has a fever. Has gone but. Ali was ill last week and dash bed most of the time. Lay. They can't deny dash the crime. Committing. A storm in a teacup means much excitement over something trivial. To put the cart before the horse means to reverse the natural order of things. A bull in a china shop means a person who is rough and clumsy where skill and care are required. To pull strings means To exert hidden influence. To smell a rat means to suspect a trick or deceit. To talk one's head off means to talk excessively. To frame a person means to make one appear guilty. A fair crack of the whip means an equal chance to do something. To take with a grain of salt means to take with some reservation. To fly off the handle means to lose one's temper. Choose the correct spelling. Option C. Tranquility. Choose the correct spelling. Option A. Acclamation. Choose the correct spelling. Option B. Remuneration. Choose the correct spelling. Option A. Accommodate. Choose the correct spelling. Option C. Meteorologist. Olive branch is a sign of peace. Key currency is internationally accepted currency. An artery is a vessel carrying oxygenated bloods. Seismograph is an instrument to record the earthquake. Which of the following planets is known as morning star? Venus. Where is the headquarters of G77? New York, United States. Which of the following countries are members of the Group of 77? All of these, which include Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, and Brunei Darussalam. From 2001 to 2010, SARC declared the decade of rights of the child. The first SARC summit was held at Dhaka. Who was the 12th head of OIC? Hossein Ibrahim Taha. How many countries are members of OIC? 57. Where is Diego Garcia situated? In the Indian Ocean near Mauritius. In which country lies the source of the river Nile? Uganda. Which of the following is known as the gift of Nile? Egypt. Which countries lie on either side of the Redcliffe line? India and Pakistan. The clash of civilizations was authored by Samuel P. Huntington. Who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. A Russian novelist was forced to refuse the Nobel Prize in 1958 by the Soviet authorities. Who is he? Boris Pasternak. Under Gorbachev, the USSR launched Perestroika. What exactly is it? Reconstructing the country's political and economic system. Who emerged as a great leader after the Russian Revolution? Vladimir Lenin. Which of the following was not fought by Napoleon? Battle of Jutland. The first president of the Russian Federation was Boris Yeltsin. Which book is entitled as The Bible of Communism? Communist Manifesto. The capital of Norway is Oslo. The capital of Philippines is Manila. Lusaka is the capital of Zambia. The capital of the United States of America is Washington, D.C. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. The currency of Angola is Kwanza. The currency of Chad is CFA franc. Euro is the currency of both of these, which includes Austria and Cyprus. Dollar is the currency of none of these. The currency of Denmark is krone. Which city is called Gateway of India? Mumbai. Which city is called the land of seven hills? Rome. Which city is called Manchester of Pakistan? Faisalabad. Which country is called the land of mountains? Nepal. Which country is called the land of lilies? Canada. The general election of the Pakistan Senate was held on March 3, 2021. For the Chairman Senate 2021 election of Pakistan, who contested from Treasury benches? Mir Sadiq Sanjrani. For the Deputy Chairman Senate 2021 election of Pakistan, who was the candidate from the opposition benches? Abdul Ghafoor Haidari. The successful candidate for Chairman Senate 2021 Pakistan received how many votes? 57. Who was the ex-chairman of the Senate of Pakistan? Mir Sadiq Sanjrani. Currently it is Mir Sadiq Sanjrani. Back at the time when test was conducted, Mir Sadiq Sanjrani was incumbent chairman Senate. Raza Rabbani at that time was ex-chairman, and now in current scenario, Yusuf Raza Gilani is the chairman of the Senate of Pakistan. Who is the Speaker of the National Assembly? Back at that time it was Asad Qaisar, but currently Ayaz Sadiq is the Speaker of the National Assembly. Who is the current President of Palestine? Mahmoud Abbas. The Premier of the People's Republic of China is Li Keqiang. At that time it was Li Keqiang, but the current Premier of China since 2023 is Li Qiang. Jinnah International Airport of Pakistan is located in which city? Karachi. The normal term of office for the UN Secretary General is 5 years. Broadway Street is situated in USA. Namibia is the changed name of Southwest Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.